Sportster motor mount, which I use these on my race bike. See, they're always got some wear marks in them a little bit, but that's pretty low. That's mainly just paint. So this one looks pretty good. Not all worn up. They had to slot the holes a little bit to make it fit though, but it's not uncommon. These just don't break, whereas the Sportster ones, they just break like crazy all through here, and the ears break off. And they're always broken. These cast iron ones don't break.
Okay, got yourself a good one.
So instead of spending big bucks for aftermarket when they used to make back in the day, you buy a real hot Harley part.
Yeah.
They work, they fit, they come in and out easy. The aftermarket ones don't fit very well and tend to get stuck in the bike, but you can't get them apart. Yeah, good. I like that.
Alright.
Handlebars don't do much for me, but those are just for somebody who wants a set of bars.
Yeah.
Half them. I got so many bars for just one side, I don't know what the hell they are. You buy enough bars, eventually you get sets.
Yes.
That's how you do that.
Good call.
The problem is you always find the left ones and not the right ones.
Wonder why.
Because nobody wants the right one, it's fixed throttle.
Oh.
But, I only got a few of the right side ones, and of course they don't match any of the other ones. What's up with that? Actually, literally, it was like probably 10 different bars. So
Yeah.
easily 10 different bars. So through all the different years, there's a lot of them. It's just hard to get sets. I got a couple of their sets, but it's pretty hard. All right, there you go.